Titan, look at this bird. It's a flicker. It's a kind of a woodpecker. It's snowing out and he's looking for food. He's right up by my window. Isn't he pretty? He's got a red spot on him. There's some ice on the window. It's snowing today. It's only 32 degrees. It's freezing out and snowing. Where'd that bird go? Where'd he go? Oop, he hopped away. See, there's some snow out there. A little bit of snow. Okay, the bird went away, so... Oh, there he is again. I see him. He's down here by the house again. He's pecking around looking for food. See him? He's pecking in the ground, looking for seeds to have something to eat. He's hungry. There's ice on the window. There's two of those birds out here. Oh, here's a robin up here too. Where's the robin? See if I can find her on my picture here. Can't find her. Where are you, little robin? There she is, little robin redbreast. The flicker's kind of come over by her. Where's the flicker bird? There he is. He's still pecking for food. It's really cold and windy out today. He's scratching himself with his foot and with his beak. Do you see his long beak that he has? That he pecks up the food with? He's sure scratching a lot, isn't he? He must have an itch. What is he doing? It's pretty funny. Something's itching him. They have to stay out in the cold, don't they? He's ruffling up his feathers. This is a pretty funny bird. Something's tickling him. The wind's really blowing outside today. Grandpa can't go in the field or get the planter out. It's too cold. It's too cold for Grandma to plant trees or the garden. That flicker bird is still scratching. See, he's got yellow on his wing. And he's got some red on his head. Oop, there he goes. Where'd he go? There he is. He's still scratching. Okay, well, he's hopping over, so I'm going to say goodbye now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, snow.